Big day today. Today is Biz Career Launch Day. Now, your children, your grandchildren, you'll be talking to them and telling them 14th of June 2020 at 7 o'clock. That's where everything started. And this opportunity is going to, like, Biz Career is going to take things to the next level. That's why I am so excited for everyone, because we're going to create so many success stories with this amazing platform called Biz Career. That's why I'm very excited for tonight's call. Before that, at 5 o'clock, we got director's call, directors and above call. Only directors and above are allowed. But you know what? At 7 o'clock, I want maximum participation, because you can say that, you know what, I was there when it all started. Thank you much. Love you all. See you at director's call and then the Biz Career Launch. Thank you. Bye-bye.